Hey guys, so the reason why I look like that today is honestly because I just came back from gym and now I want to go to the shower and wash my hair, and then on a damp hair we are gonna do something interesting today. We're gonna tone it with this and this. So something that I do once in a while if I want to look my hair to look more like from a salon and I can't go to a salon, then I do this and it don't really destroy your hair. So the other reason why I do this is also because look at my ends. So I had a blonde hair before and I'm kind of tired of the blonde making my hair, really dull and without a bright shine, and I constantly have to use my colorist. I had to use Scenic Rain to make it look good, and I was just a little bit tired of this, so I decided to go for a little bit darker tone, more like a brownish, and to fill up my ends with some kind of color so they look more alive. So let's see what's gonna happen. I forgot to explain that you don't have to use any conditioner or mask or other hair ingredients for this. Your hair just have to be clean. And yes, you can see it's wet. So now I will mix 1 ounce of this. It's Vella Color Charm. It's 7A, and 2 ounces of this. It's activation lotion. So I will mix them both in a bowl and apply them into my hair. As I don't have a proper bowl, I would just use something like this. It's from a face mask, and put it there, mix it in my hair. You can also find something, I'm sure, at your home. Just for me, we've been constantly traveling around. We've been living nomad lifestyle, and with all these moves, with us being all the time in a different places, we need to be able to pack soon and to move to other place, and I just don't really save things. Really find my glows again. I told you the reason why we don't really hold on to things, because we constantly taking road trips and living in different places, so I can't really find my glows, but you should use glows for that. I will just use my hand. It's time to wait 20 minutes and we will be done. Perfect. So it's time to wash the hair. You can use everything as you usually do, like a shampoo, conditioner, mask, and see. So yeah guys, this is the final look, and that's how my hair look after I used fan. And yeah, really nice transformation. The color is more full, more sophisticated, and you can't really see this like line between my old blonde hair and my new hair, which is my normal color. My normal color is a little bit brighter than this. I like to shade it a little bit darker because it just, I don't know, it just gives a depth to the look, if that makes sense. It was not really to see the color in that light because I was standing under the lamp, so here you can see it better. It's really darker shade. It's hard to transfer the camera, but well, you got it. It's a bit darker and it make really nice sophisticated look. Hope you enjoy the video, guys. Thumbs up, comment, subscribe to my channel to see more, and see you soon.